Got some Pepto-Bismol in my crease. Okay, all right, relax your face, relax your face. Oh, are my bags being covered?
No.
What's up, you guys? I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I wanted to incorporate some different elements when I am recording my makeup tutorials and also doing my get ready with me's. So I decided to do a little bit of a different video today, and this video is going to be featuring my sister. So this is my sister Star. She's 6 years old. And do you want to tell everybody a fun fact about yourself? No? Okay, I'll tell them. She loves Peppa Pig. So today's video is my sister does my makeup. So she always watches makeup tutorials when she's not watching Peppa Pig, and she actually watches my channel as well. So I wanted to incorporate her in this video today because she's been working on her makeup skills. So we're gonna test her out and see how she does. So if you wanna see how the rest of the video goes, keep on watching and stay tuned.
This is a Colourpop brown pencil, and I'm gonna use this for my eyebrows.
Okay. I'm gonna use this mirror. I'm gonna just, use it. But go ahead, go to town. You can go to town. Oh, you killing me already. Oh, you gonna give me some boxy eyebrows, Star?
I can't do it.
You spending a lot of time in that area. Ah! It looks great. Okay, other one.
Oh.
You messed up?
No.
No, it's done? Okay, you just gotta wind it up. It's down. You just wind it up. Some more.
I can't do it.
Okay. Alright. Giving you Cruella DeVille realness over here. Okay, are you done with this part? Okay. So we're gonna be going in again, and we're gonna be using what color? This color?
Yeah.
You want this color? We're gonna be using this color. So go ahead. Do your thing.
What's more so that?
Do I get a transition color? What about a crease color? Do I get a crease color?
I don't know what that means.
We're going to be taking High Strung. This is a Colourpop single shadow, and I have it in a little quartet here, but she's going to go in with this color on top of this luscious pink we have here.
Ooh. That's pretty. They're making a little gut.
That look like printing? Yes. Yes. Okay. Anything else? Okay, you want to move on to foundation?
Yeah.
Okay. Really quick, I just want to show you the finished product. We have a little pink shimmer here. Got some Pepto-Bismol in my crease, and we have a little blend going on up here. She put the High Strung a little bit all over the eye, but you know what? I'm feeling it, and my eyebrows are to die for. So we're gonna go on with the face. I'm using the SmashBox Photo Finish Primer, and you want to apply this to my face, or you want me to do it?
I'll do it.
Okay.
Oh. What a lot.
Yeah. No, this ain't foundation. This is lotion, Star. Oh, she's trying to have me strobing in here. This is to help prime. Oh, prime my skin. And give me that nice glow. But I feel like I'm about to be glowing like
It's not a little.
oh yeah, that's a lot. So I can't find my Revlon foundation, but we are going to be using, this is the Maybelline.
This is the Maybelline New York, and I'm gonna use this to put on side of it.
So I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, okay? And then we're gonna use this brush. Here you go. And put it all over my face. That should be enough. Do I need a lot of coverage right there? Is there something you're trying to tell me?
Oh, look at the color.
Yeah, this is my summer shade. I have a summer shade and then I have a winter shade. But my winter shade is too light. But my summer shade is a hint too dark. But it's okay because it balances out with the concealer. Ooh. I need that much coverage? You gotta get my neck too, because we can't be out here not. Wait. I'm at like this area. Hold on. You know, gotta be blended. Gotta be blended over here. You're not gonna make me walk outside unblended, are you? Okay, just checking. So I thought I needed. You are giving me tan realness over here.
Now let's try my best. And we are going to be using the Colourpop No Filter concealer.
Put this on the places you want to highlight, and you're going to put it in here. You put it up my nose. You put a little bit on my chin. Oh. Oh, yeah. Is that what I do? First of all, I look tribal ready. Wow. That's all we're highlighting that in? Oh, so
well, not on the chin.
Not on the chin?
Yeah.
Okay.
The chin is only up to the light.
Okay. Are my bags being covered? Are my bags being covered?
No.
You know, sir, I'm very surprised with the face. You killing it. How many times you don't watch my videos?
Yeah. Huh?
Okay, blend.
Next, we are going to use we're going to use setting powder next. Ooh. You're going all over your shirt.
Yeah. So now that we've reached here, there's no turning back at this point.
You don't blend it in?
We about to dust it off.
Next, I'm going to dust off the setting powder.
Yes, back up. Get your voice over. Come on. Okay. Alright.
Next, I'm going to do blush.
Oh! You sure don't show? Oh, I see it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, okay. We still going. We still going with the pink. Blush go all the way down there, Star?
Mm.
Okay, so really quickly, I'm gonna set my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray. So, hold on, Star. My bad.
Next, I'm gonna do mascara.
Okay, do it. You put it. You know where to put it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oops.
Oh, is that a clump?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me pick it up.
No getting eye. Ooh, it got some in the eye.
It's okay. That's it.
The pink one too. Yeah. We're gonna be using the Fenty Beauty highlighter.
So to finish out this look, we're gonna be applying the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe highlighter, and we gonna pray.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
I did really good.
Yeah. So for the lip color, we're gonna be taking the Colourpop Lippie Stix Cream, and this is the color Little Things. Oh, I always thought it said Little Things. It says Little Tings. Okay. Ooh, come on, don't hurt me now. All right. So this is the finished look. She did her thing, okay? We got the Fenty Beauty going on. We have a little bit of Colourpop in there. You all right? Okay. So we did have a little bit of mishaps with the mascara. What do you think, Star? How do I look? I look good? Am I princess ready? Okay. I'm not casket sharp. That's all I care about, you know? You can't be casket ready over here. It's not a thing. If you like what you saw, keep on watching my channel. Why don't you just subscribe, you know? Might as well like the video as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. You know, this is my signature. Bye.